Hi kids, today we are going to learn how to make a simple bird, and for that we only require one origami sheet. Are you all ready? Let's start. The first step is that we have to fold the origami in a slanting line like this. So we're going to fold it diagonally. Now we will fold this triangle in half. Like this. Now we are going to take one side and fold it up like this. Now we will turn it around and fold the other side the same way. See, our bird is ready. But now we have to make the eyes. So let's take a marker and make a dot on one side. Then we'll flip it and we'll make another dot on the other side. And the eyes of the bird is also made. See, this is how we make simple bird with one small origami sheet. I hope you enjoyed this activity, and next time I will come up with another interesting one. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy.